Okay, hello everyone. Here I want to provide a tutorial on how to turn off automatic download in Google Chrome on an Android device. Okay, let's go to the tutorial. Now please open Google Chrome on your device. And then here you can click on menu button in the upper right corner. After that, here you can select settings. Okay, and then here you can scroll down. After that, you can tap on site settings option. And then here you can scroll down again. After that, you can select automatic download here. Okay, and then to turn off the automatic download in Chrome, you can simply tap this button. That's the tutorial on how to turn off automatic download in Google Chrome on an Android device. If you are helped by this video, don't forget to like and subscribe to get other information from this channel. Thank you.